created the surface profile and the layout profile, also surface and the alignment is. Now we are going to create the assembly. Assembly means I will tell to you later. Assembly is the a very important things in the civil 3D because it's deciding to our the cross sections and our alignment along the what things will be happen. So just let's go. We have to create the our assembly. Assembly you can find in the our design create design panel. So where you can find here is the corridor. You see this is the assembly and many things are here. This is the corridor. So just we click here and create assembly. Give to name the rail trekking, railway trekking. This is our assembly name. Here nothing you have to change the assembly type. Other see it's same thing. If you want to change, you can change the railways like here. You can change the railway. And otherwise no need. Other is the nothing problem. And you give name or nothing. But I think is the other is the best here because it will be the linking in the codes. And here nothing you have to change, here nothing, all codes should be here open, otherwise it would be problem. So all codes should be checked here. Then OK, and we have to come and choose the place and see this our assemblies. Now we need the sub-assembly. This is the assembly means this is the center line of the our corridor. So where we go to the sub-assembly, just click in this tool plates again here. And here you try to find the railway, nothing. Just click here in the dot is the now in bottom. Just click rail. Here you can find the many things are there in different time sections are here. So you can choose the one. I think rail single track is the good for us. So just I clicked it here, nothing change and never do something here, just you come to here and click here. Now you see our sub-assembly is assigned to assembly. Just you click once escape, so this tool plate has gone. Now you see how to is there. Let's see take, you can see here what material will fill here, what material fill here, what material fill here, what material fill here. So many things here. About these things we can change, but I will tell to you later in the when we will be create a new project and fully project will be completed in the start to end. That time I will explain. Now I am explaining only just tools. So it's now here we have to go now assign the daylight links means from this part or from this part or from this part, how much will be cut and how much will be filled. We have to assign this daylight. Daylight here we can see the no one daylight in tool plate. Again you click here this daughters, this tail daughters here. Just then you see here daylight. Daylight just you click here and you choose someone here. So I'm going to choose very simple here daylight links because the just we are going to explain to you. So maximum width daylight, minimum width or maximum width. So I choose here maximum width. Then here nothing you have to do again. Just you select this circle here. Okay. Then escape again, and here you can change many things like the slope or just right click and go to sub-assembly properties. Here nothing changes name, but some come to here in the parameters you can change the slopes. See here the cut slope and the fill slope are there and maximum width because here we have to change 100 meters because 100 because the cut and fill area will be go out, otherwise it will be due to us like that a down or from here to upper to cut. So apply here and okay here. You see now it's the 100 meter mark. Now same things we need this sign, this daylight. So just click and come to here mirror and just click here, same as applied. So our sub assembly is there ready now. Means the red level is the going to cutting area and the green area is the filling. So our sub assembly is created, completed it. In next video we have to create our corridor using this assembly. Means this is a completely section. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel, like.